Every production owner wants his production to work efficiently, independently, and continuously. But how to do it? This is a question that everyone at the famous company Google has been thinking for a long time. Many analyses have been conducted, and as a result, a brand new intelligent tool, Google Cloud Manufacturing, has been released. So what does it do and what problem does it solve? Let's get to the bottom of it. Google Cloud Manufacturing integrates and unifies disparate data in production, which allows you to bring together all the production processes and analyze its effectiveness. The tool was tested at the world-famous Ford facility, whose history everyone knows. Testing was conducted into factories, which include more than 100 pieces of equipment, with streaming and storage of more than 25 million records per week. As a result of this technology, it was possible to achieve an increase in production efficiency and a decrease in accidents in production. So, how does Google Cloud Manufacturing work? Google Cloud Manufacturing collects information on all of the production processes taking place in the enterprise. Then it analyzes these processes not separately, which allows you to see the picture in production as a whole. Google Cloud Manufacturing significantly reduces equipment breakdowns and avoid production stoppages, and also helps to carry out a comprehensive analysis of all the processes occurring in production. This tool is a new step in the development of manufacturing technology, which will absolutely make your production uninterrupted, self-sufficient, and more effective. Let us in the comments, how do you think Google Cloud Manufacturing can help take your production to the next level? Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to receive more helpful information, just check it out on brutalab.com.